Congratulations, you got the Smart Microscope 5M. We're going to open the box and take a look at what's inside. So you have the Smart Microscope 5M box. We're going to go ahead and open it up. When you open it, you will see that there's a lot of documentation on the top there. We're going to go through each one of those things individually in a moment. But the first thing you'll see is the Smart Microscope Online Viewer card. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Teaching materials that come with the Smart Microscope 5M. Then we have the Quick Start Guide, which is going to give you the basics of operation for it. And then the next thing on the top is the Smart Microscope Online Viewer Quick Start Guide. So as we continue to unpack, we're going to lift this tray right out and move it off to the side to get to the bottom where we will find the stand and then the software CD for PC and Mac. So as we look at everything that's included, we're going to take this stand and we're going to take the smooth side of both. We're going to slide those together. Then we're going to take the scope holder, start at the bottom, squeeze it together, slide it up that channel. Once it's in place, we're going to push it down and make sure that it's locked in place. Then we'll take our 5M and we will slide it right into its slot, and we're all set. Now the Smart Microscope 5M comes with software for PC and Mac. The serial numbers are there for both, and you can also download that from our website. There's a quick start guide that goes through the basics of operation for the Smart Microscope and some of the primary features for it. The online viewer is a web-based application. You do not need to install software. Simply go to the website and log in. You can register with the key that's on the back of this card. Here is a quick start guide that walks you through how to do that. And the teaching materials are for elementary, middle school, and biology, all in the 5E model, and are accessed with information on that card. So the Smart Microscope 5M is easy to set up and you should be ready to go. So it's really easy to use. So once you get it out, you can simply put it on your shirt and see the live magnified image. It is so easy to use, but fascinating as you bring in salt crystals that are magnified 100x and then 200x. We hope that you enjoy your Smart Microscope 5M.